A good evening. We are at the Chidlom BTS Station and the sun is setting and we have amazing colors here. So it inspired me to start filming. So what I am going to do is I'm gonna walk the skywalk here in the direction of the Ratcha Prasong walk and show you guys the Ratcha Prasong area a little bit. So I hope you will enjoy it. I'm sure I will. So let's go downstairs. Yeah, it's funny because the other day I uploaded a video that I made in January, which was the train ride that I did on the BTS, and I realized that the sun was setting about an hour earlier than now, so you can really see the differences. So you don't really have the big difference in summertime and wintertime like we have in the north of our planet. But you do have a difference, and I think it's about an hour. So for this case, I bought a one-way ticket. I didn't have my BTS card with me. So this one you put in here and you can get out. Yeah, so I'm gonna walk the skywalk. I'm gonna go through the Gaysorn Mall and then we'll have a nice view of Central World. It's almost 6:15. Yeah, the colors are amazing now. So welcome to the Ratcha Prasong district and the R-Walk. I didn't realize that they called the whole thing now the R-Walk. Nice. Here down you have the Beer Republic. And here to the left you have the Amarin, which is one of the older shopping complexes. Here they always used to have the really nice Christmas decorations, but this year it was not as much. They have a lot more competition now. Yeah, so if you walk straight here, you go in the direction of Siam, but I'm gonna go to the right and go walking through the Gaysorn walk. Yeah, so now I can see it. So this they call the R-Walk North now. Yeah, so my actual goal for this walk is to go and take the Klong boat the riverboat taxi. Yeah, which is located at the Pratunam Pier, and yeah, this is the perfect time to get a really nice view from the boat. And for those who saw my live stream last weekend, they might remember that it looked really cool. So I just wanted to film it one time. And the big thing that I really realized when I did the live stream was that the sound was not so good. So I brought my microphone, which will make it sound nice and smooth. Yeah, so this is the Gaysorn Walk, they call it now, but it's the Gaysorn Mall. And here it connects to the Gaysorn Tower, and the Gaysorn Tower is an office building. Yeah, you know, the thing is that it's getting more and more difficult to find interesting places to show, and it's not about showing, but a lot of things are closed. So especially in the evening, normally you could just show just a little bit more in the city, but we are getting limited now because most of the venues such as parks and everything are closed. Yeah, and this always makes for a great view. There you have the Bangkok Tower. And here the Central World in front. Take the skywalk. Yeah, not many people outside now, but this is because most people are working from home. So the few people that used to work in the offices here, they are not here. So this place, for example, here at Central World, there's a few big office buildings, but these people are not here now. Here we're in front of the Big-C Supercenter. And if you walk all the way till the end, you get to the Amarin Mall. So as you could see, it's really not far from Chidlom. So it's a perfect little walk, even in the evening. I mean, just to do some exercise, this is really great. So here you have the market. Nice mall. So here you have the Ganesh and the Trimurti shrine, and a lot of people come here to pray to find love. So let me take you there. Here you have the Central World Plaza, which normally this is the place where they have different events. Here you see the hearts on the floor. Okay, let's hope everybody finds the true love. And with these words, I will leave you guys here. So I hope you enjoyed this update. If you did, feel free to subscribe. Feel free to leave me a comment. Press the like button. And see you guys in my next video.